Brick Patterns Part 1. Today we will learn many types of patterns can be made with the help of bricks. And where and how are the patterns made of bricks being used?
Even after knowing the shapes, measurement and how bricks are made, we have not yet been able to make beautiful designs with bricks. Someday let us make beautiful designs with bricks. Neha, I know all information about bricks now. Brick is made by baking clay. They are used for construction work. Brick is in the shape of a cuboid. Brick has 6 surfaces and 12 edges. And all the edges and surfaces of the brick are straight. But I think, Neha, the real fun would be to make something with them. Vandana, where can I learn more about the uses of bricks? I would like to know more. Why don't we go to Engineer Sir and ask him? Yes, let's go to him.
Neha and Vandana, have you come to see the canteen?
No, sir. We want to know about the uses of bricks.
I told you about the uses of bricks. Bricks are used in construction work. Walls, floors, ceilings, windows can all be made with bricks, and beautiful designs can also be made in them with the help of bricks. Patterns made of bricks are used in many places. Actually, wherever bricks are used in construction work, some pattern or the other is definitely used.
Is the pattern used even in ordinary walls?
Yes, even bricks used in simple walls are in a pattern. See this wall. It is made using many bricks. In making this wall, bricks are placed one above the other. But a special pattern has been chosen here. Can you suggest another pattern to make a wall?
Yes, sir. It will be easy. Why don't we put the bricks on top of each other? Even then a pattern will be formed.
You are absolutely right. Now see, this is a wall made using your chosen pattern, and this is a wall made using the pattern I chose. What do you think? Which wall is stronger?
If both walls are made of the same kind of bricks, then, sir, both should be equally strong.
Why don't you push them both and check? You see now, due to this special pattern, it makes a difference to the strength of the wall.
This means that pattern is also an important part in the use of bricks.
Yes, when we have to make the wall thicker, then we use different patterns. And for thinner walls, different patterns are used.
Sir, where else do you use the brick pattern?
We can also make vents using bricks.
What is a vent?
The gaps that are left in the wall for air circulation are called vents. See, like we have also made some vents in your canteen wall. You can see many similar vents in the buildings. See, I have made a pattern in this vent. Similarly, you can see very beautiful patterns in the vents of the buildings.
Now I do not think there is anything else left in the pattern of bricks.
Many types of patterns can be made using bricks. And such brick patterns can be used in many places for construction work.
Sir, can you please repeat whatever you have told us today? Our class is about to start.
I told you that many types of patterns can be made with the help of bricks. Brick patterns can be used to make floors beautiful. Brick patterns provide strength to the walls.
Thank you, sir. But we still want to know more. Sir, can you show us more beautiful patterns of bricks?
I don't have that much time, nor do I have so many bricks now. But I can do one thing. Whenever I see a beautiful pattern of bricks, I will take a photo of it. I have a file with many photographs of brick patterns. If you want, I can get it for you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Please get it tomorrow. Tomorrow we will see many examples of patterns made of bricks.
Brick Patterns, Part 2. Today we will learn how many types of patterns can be made with bricks. Where are the patterns made of bricks used? And why is the pattern used?
Today lunchtime is going to be a lot of fun. Why? Because during lunchtime, Engineer Sir will show us many patterns of bricks. Yes, even I am very excited. Sir, we have come. Did you bring with you the file with patterns?
Yes, I brought the book with patterns with me. How can I forget it?
Sir, let us see some nice patterns.
See, these are the patterns made using few selected bricks.
Wow, this is such a beautiful pattern. And it is difficult to make these.
If you understand its pattern, you can easily make it. Let me make this pattern for you. See, first make groups of 3 bricks. Let's make the first line from these groups. For that, let's keep a group in such a way that the bricks are vertical. Then keep a different group in such a way that the bricks are horizontal. Once again, a vertical group and a horizontal group. Now let's make the line below it. Because the top line has started with vertical bricks, then this line will start with horizontal bricks, then followed by vertical bricks and then horizontal bricks. In this way, we make a complete pattern.
Oh yes, sir. This is really easy. Sir, please show more patterns.
I'll show you. Look.
Oh wow, this pattern is very beautiful.
Not only is it beautiful, there is something special about this design.
So what is special about it?
This design is mirror half.
What does mirror half mean?
It means that if you cut this design into 2 halves and then look at it in the mirror, then you will see the whole design.
Yes, sir. It means that the design present in one half is present in the other half too.
Absolutely right, Neha. Now look at this design.
Sir, this design is a circular shape design. Is it made with vertical bricks?
Yes, this is made with vertical bricks. You too can try making such a design at home.
Sure, sir.
See, now I will show you another circular design made of bricks. See this.
Sir, this design is very beautiful.
Let me show you one of my favorite pattern. In our childhood, when we did not have stumps while playing cricket, we used to make similar wickets using bricks.
Oh, got it, sir. This is related to cricket, so it's your favorite.
No, the reason for it being my favorite is that this particular pattern gives strength to the wicket so that the wicket does not fall easily.
So let's try making it.
Why not? See, first put 3 bricks one on top of the other. After that, place this brick on their side like this. Now again, 3 bricks will be placed one above the other, but this time on this side. This gives strength to the wicket. Now we will place 1 brick on the side of these 3 bricks. We will repeat the same pattern once again.
Sir, now show the pattern of walls.
Sure. See, I'll show you 2 patterns of walls. This is the first pattern. It is made when we have to make a thin wall. And this is the second pattern. It is made when we have to make the wall a bit thick.
Sir, now show different patterns of vent also.
See this vent pattern.
Wow, sir, these vents are so beautiful.
I've not yet shown you the most beautiful vent.
Sir, please show it then.
See this. But this is made of thin bricks.
Sir, it is so beautiful. I cannot believe that such beautiful vents can be made using bricks.
Now I will show you the design of an arch. See this.
Sir, such a beautiful arch. Is something similar being made in our canteen too?
Currently there is no such plan, but I will see if we can do something.
Sir, we have seen the pattern of floor, wall, vent, window and arch made of bricks. Are there any other places where bricks patterns are used?
Yes, let me show you another place where bricks are used. See this?
We have seen this in the garden.
Absolutely right.
Thank you so much, sir, for showing us such nice patterns made of bricks.
You have seen many designs, but tell me, what have you learned?
So we learned that many patterns can be made using bricks. The brick patterns are used in buildings to make floor, wall, vent, window, arch and gardens too. Circular patterns can also be made using bricks. Some patterns can be mirror half. Patterns are not only used for design, some patterns also strengthen construction.
Very good. Both of you can become good engineers. Brick Patterns, Part 3. Today we will learn that circular patterns can be made using bricks. Mirror half pattern can also be made using bricks, and it is not necessary that every pattern made of bricks is mirror half.
Vandana, we saw so many beautiful patterns made of bricks. But I still can't believe one thing. On what? The fact that circular shapes or round patterns can be made using cuboid bricks. Engineer sir had asked us to try making it yourself. If you have doubts, then let's try it together. Okay, for this we will need some bricks. Here are few bricks. Let's make patterns using them. Let us first keep these 4 bricks like this. Now let's make a circle of bricks around them. Then make another circle of bricks around them. Then another and then another one. Look, it became a circular pattern. Apart from this, I saw another circular pattern in one place. See this pattern. The only difference is that some bricks have been cut into half and used. Yes, now I'm sure, Vandana, that circular patterns can be made using bricks. How wonderful it is! All these patterns made of bricks are mirror halves. Why did you think so? Neha, what is there in it? See, all these patterns are mirror half. These patterns are mirror half, but look at this pattern. Do you think this is also a mirror half? Let me see. If you make it into half and look at it in the mirror, then the pattern is not getting completed. It means that it is not mirror half. Can you show me any other pattern that is not a mirror half? Why not? Look at the pattern on this wall. It is a repeating pattern, not a mirror half. Rightly said. It means some patterns are mirror half and some are not. One more question. What? Bricks are placed one on top of the other to create this pattern. But only half of the brick is above the brick below it. Yes. I thought that the bricks are placed exactly one on top of the other. Patterns can be made by placing bricks one on top of the other. But remember what engineer sir said? What did he say? He said that some patterns also strengthen the wall. See, here the bricks are bonded together and a strong wall is formed. Oh, got it. When Sir had made the wicket, then why he had placed 3 bricks one above the other and placed the next brick beside them? Yes. See, today I taught you 3 facts. Circular patterns can be made using bricks. It is not necessary that every pattern is mirror half, and the pattern that is made by placing bricks one on top of the other does not necessarily mean that bricks are placed exactly on top of each other. Thank you, madam.
Brick and its characteristics. Part 1. In this video, we will learn what are bricks, where are bricks used, how bricks are measured, how many edges and faces are there in a brick, and where and how bricks are made.
I want to eat something, but we just had our lunch. Not food. I want to eat an ice cream or something spicy like a samosa. Yes, it's too hot today. I can eat an ice cream with you, but where to get it in school? I wish the canteen is built soon so we could get to eat an ice cream and samosas in school itself. The canteen is getting built since so many days now. It should have been completed by now. Let's go and see. Oh, only this much has been built? I don't know how much more time it's going to take. What are they using to build this canteen? What is this red object?
This red object is called a brick.
What is a brick and why are you using it to build a wall?
This red color small box-shaped object you are looking at is called a brick. Brick is a small rectangular box-shaped object which is made by baking the clay.
So are the walls of our school also made of bricks?
Yes, and not just this school. Your home, all the buildings in this city, bridges are all made of bricks. Bricks are used in almost every construction work.
Wow, this brick is a wonderful object. But where does this come from?
Bricks are made with clay and they are made in a furnace.
With clay? Can you please explain it in detail?
Okay. Clay is used to make bricks. Water is added to soil and a dough is made like what your mom makes for chapatis. Then it is put in a mold to give it the shape of a brick. The brick is then taken out of the mold and is baked in the furnace until it gets hard and strong. You must have seen the furnace at many places. This is how bricks are made. Have you understood?
Now we have understood. But here all the bricks are of the same shape. Are all bricks of the same rectangle shape?
Yes, all the bricks are of this shape, a rectangular box. In mathematics, this shape is called a cuboid.
This brick has so many faces. Can we count them?
Yes, every brick has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, can you count the edges of this brick?
It has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is one point to be noted about the faces and edges. What? Did you notice all the faces and edges are straight? Yes, you are right. But are all bricks this small?
To measure a brick, we measure its length, breadth and height. The length of this brick is 21 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. You can find bricks of different sizes, but for our construction, we are currently using bricks of this measurement.
So where can we see bricks of different sizes?
To know that, you will have to look for very old buildings. In those days, floors and ceilings were also made with bricks. If you look at them, you will know the importance of bricks. If you want, I will bring bricks of different sizes tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Please bring bricks of different sizes tomorrow. We want to see them. Thank you for giving us so much information about bricks, sir. Our class is about to start. We will have to go now.
Okay, if you want to know more about bricks, let me know.
Neha, did you remember what engineer sir told us? Yes, let me summarize the information we gathered on bricks today. A brick is like a small rectangular box which is made by baking the clay. A brick is used in building houses, bridges, and all other types of constructions. Shape of the brick is cuboid. The size of a brick is determined by measuring its length, breadth, and height. A brick has 12 edges. A brick has 6 faces. Bricks are baked in furnace. I am waiting for tomorrow because engineer sir will get different sizes of bricks to show us. Me too.
Brick and its characteristics, Part 2.
I just can't wait to see the bricks. Me too. Engineer sir, we are here.
You both look very excited.
Yes, sir. Did you bring different sizes of bricks for us to see?
Yes, I brought them.
Please show it to us, sir. We can't wait anymore.
I will give it to you. But before that, let's recall what I told you last time.
Sir, last time you told us brick is a small rectangular box which is made by baking the clay. Brick is used in building houses, bridges, or all other types of constructions. Shape of brick is cuboid. Length, width, and height are used to measure a brick. A brick has 12 edges. A brick has 6 faces. Furnace is used to bake the bricks.
Very good. You remember everything. Come with me. I will show you. The bricks I bought for you are kept there. You take a look at the bricks and let me look around the canteen. If you have any questions, you can come and ask me.
Okay, sir. Wow, these bricks are of different shapes. No, they are all of the same shape, cuboid. But their sizes are different. Why not we measure the size of all the bricks? Okay, but I have a question. What are we going to measure in these bricks? That's so simple. We will measure the length, width, and the height of these bricks. These 3 measurements determine the size of a brick. Okay, let's measure them. First, let's measure the length of this brick. The length of this brick is 21 centimeter. The breadth is 10 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. Now let's measure this one. The length of this brick is 25 centimeter. The breadth of this brick is 10 centimeter and the height is also 10 centimeter. This brick is 15 centimeter long. Its breadth is also 15 centimeter, which is same as its length, and the height is 5 centimeter. This brick is 20 centimeter long. Its breadth is also 20 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. This brick is the longest of all. Its length is 30 centimeter. Its breadth is 13 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. After we have measured the length, breadth and height of all these bricks, we can easily tell the difference between them. If we get all these bricks, it would be so much fun. We could have built so many things. You know, I have similar toy bricks which we can play with and build so many things. Really? I have never seen them. You have seen them and played with them as well. I never knew why we call them bricks. But after getting to know so much about bricks, I now understand why. I still don't understand. I'll come to your place in the evening and then show me your toys, okay? For sure. I was waiting for you. I have taken out my toys. See, These ones. Oh, these toys. Yes, I have played with these ones. These are also just like bricks, but toy bricks. We can build anything with these. Come, let's make something together with these bricks.
Brick and its characteristics. Part 3.
Vandana, let's go and see how much of our canteen has been built. Let's go. We will meet engineer sir as well. See, Vandana, there are some other shapes of bricks here. This one is triangle in shape. And look here, this one has a round bottom. I don't understand this. Engineer sir told us bricks are cuboid in shape. Then why are these of different shapes?
These bricks were also of cuboid shape, but we needed a different shape, so we cut them according to our need. That is why you can see some of the bricks are of triangle shape and some of the bricks are round shape.
Does that mean we can cut bricks in the shapes we want?
Yes, to make most of the patterns, bricks are cut into different shapes. Since all the bricks are of same shape, that's why it is difficult to make different patterns and designs.
Is it easy to cut the bricks?
Yes, it is not that difficult to cut the bricks, and they can be easily cut without any machine. Because of this characteristics of bricks, they are used in almost every construction.
That means bricks are only available in cuboid shape.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question too.
Yes.
Sir, you told us that our house is made up of bricks. But I can't see bricks anywhere in the house. So does that mean my house is built of some other material and not of bricks?
No, it's not like that. Your house is also made up of bricks. But you can't see it because after constructing the wall from the bricks, the brick wall is covered with plaster. This gives the wall more strength and it lasts for many years.
Does that mean the walls of my house are plastered?
Yes, and they are painted too, and this is done to make them even more beautiful.
Yes, sir. The walls of our house are of pink color. Sir, can you please answer one last question?
Why last? Ask as many questions as you wish. Unless you ask many questions, you will not learn anything. Ask your question.
Sir, my question is, when is color added in the process of making bricks?
Which color?
Red color? See, all the bricks are in red color. But you told us that bricks are made of clay. So, their color should be like that of clay.
I told you that bricks are made by baking the clay. The same way how earthen pots are made. Both of you must have seen an earthen pot. Now tell me, what is the color of the earthen pot?
Sir, red color.
When clay is dried, its color changes to red. That is why all clay utensils are of red color. And so are bricks of red color. No color is added in the process of making bricks.
Now I understand. And I was thinking why they don't make colorful bricks. We have to go now, sir. Our class is about to start.
Sure, but first let's recall what you have learned today.
All the bricks are in the shape of cuboid, which can be cut according to our needs. That is why we see bricks of other shapes like triangles, and some may have curved sides. After building a brick wall, the wall is plastered to give it strength. No color is added in the process of making the bricks. The bricks are red because they are baked in the furnace.
Very good, Neha and Vandana. Now I think both of you know everything about bricks. Building with bricks. Part 1. Bricks in Architecture. Part 1. Today we will learn since when has bricks been in use and see some famous buildings made of bricks and the parts of those buildings built with bricks.
What are you looking at so carefully? I'm looking at this wall made up of bricks. Yes, Engineer Sir told us that bricks are used in almost all the construction work. I am thinking the same thing. If bricks are used in all kind of construction work, then did people in ancient times also use bricks? Since when did they start using bricks? And what all did they make using bricks? Are all bricks of the same shape? And what are the other things that we can make using bricks? Then why are you wasting time? Let's go to Engineer Sir and ask him. I want to know the same as well. Let's go.
Neha and Vandana, what do you both want to know today?
Sir, I want to know since when are bricks being used, and also can you tell us about famous monuments made of bricks and where they are located?
That's a very interesting question. Come, let's go to the park and discuss. Are you both ready to know more about bricks?
Yes, sir.
According to the people who examine old sites, bricks were used for the first time about 9,000 years ago.
If they are being used since so many years, there must be so many things made up of bricks. So, please tell us what all is made up of bricks?
Bricks are used not only in India, they are used all over the world. Do you know? Some bricks are made by drying in the sun instead of baking in the furnace. They are known as dry bricks. Whatever be the kind of bricks or whichever country. Yes, but they have one similarity. The shape of the bricks. All over, these are cuboid in shape. Have a look at it. This is a very ancient village, and in this, you can see the use of dry bricks.
Since bricks are being used since long time, there must be so many things made up of bricks.
Yes, when bricks were the only way to build things, the entire town was constructed only using bricks. Bricks were used to make roads. In the ancient temples, statues, and in churches as well, you can see the use of bricks. Bricks have been also used to make towers. And in Germany, the world's highest tower made of bricks is there. There's one assembly in Germany which is made of bricks. And it's very beautiful. And in Poland, there is the biggest castle in the world made up of bricks. And it looks very beautiful.
Sir, have you been all these places?
Yes, and I have collected pictures of all these places.
Sir, can you please show us the pictures?
I don't have them with me right now. I'll get them for you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. We will come tomorrow during our lunch break to see the pictures.
Today we got to know about those buildings which were built using bricks. Tomorrow we'll look at pictures and get to know more about them. Building with bricks, Part 2. Today we will learn about buildings that are made of bricks and the parts of those buildings where bricks are used.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Neha and Vandana. How is your day going?
Very good, sir. Sir, did you bring the pictures of the things made with bricks?
Yes, of course. How can I forget that? Come, let's go to the park. I'll show you everything there. Tell me, from where should I start?
Sir, let's start first from the time bricks came into use.
Okay, look at this picture. This picture is of a village which is about 9,000 years old and was made up of bricks. In this picture, you can spot the walls of the warehouse easily. I have another picture of the same place with me. Look at this. Here, you can see the remains of the bricks. You can see by the color of these bricks that these bricks were dried in the sun and not baked.
But sir, which is this place in picture?
This is Mehergarh, which is in Pakistan now. Mohenjo-daro is a very ancient city which was part of the Indus Valley civilization. Look at some pictures here. You can see the use of bricks in them very easily. In this picture, you can see a stoop and the construction surrounding it, which is made up of bricks. Have a look at the second picture. This is a swimming pool made using bricks. Archaeologists have named it the Great Bath. Have a look. This is another picture of Mohenjo-daro. You can see walls and tower here, which is made up of bricks.
Sir, this is so old and still it looks so beautiful. Sir, haven't they made anything colorful using bricks?
Of course, they have. Look at this picture. In this picture, you can see a blue gate. This is known as Ncer Gate. And this was made a long time ago at the border of Babylon. If you look at a close-up of this picture, you will be able to see the bricks used in this. The animals made on this gate, they were also made by making the bricks in unique molds. After drying these bricks, they are colored. That is why these bricks are very colorful.
Sir, I will also become a civil engineer like you when I grow up and I'll go to all these places.
In many places in the construction work, instead of using bricks, some other materials are also used.
Like what, sir?
Like you can see in your canteen. The walls of this are made up of bricks, but its ceiling will be made of concrete. The doors and windows will be made up of wood. This means that brick is not the only material required in making a building. Brick, concrete, wood, iron, and other things like these are used to make different parts of a building.
Oh, now I got it. That is why some parts do not seem to be made of bricks in this building.
For example, look at this image. In this building, the arch also is seen in two different designs.
Sir, please explain what is this arch?
An arch is a kind of design which does not have a support below it. This is used to make doors, bridges, jharokas, etc. Look at this. The buildings which are made up of only bricks, out of those, this is the one which I like the most. This is another part of the same castle. In this part also, you can clearly see the bricks. It was built in the 13th century. This castle is in Poland.
Sir, this is such a beautiful building. I wish I could go here right now.
Okay, look at this picture. This is a chill house, and this was made in the year 1924. This is a 10-storied building. This is located in Hamburg, Germany. Have a look at the arch on its gate. This is made using bricks only. All the parts of this building are made up of bricks only. Look at the different parts of this building. One part of this building has a very beautiful design made of bricks. Have a look.
Wow, sir, this is very beautiful. Yes, sir. I never imagined we can make such a beautiful buildings of bricks.
Today, you saw different kinds of building all over the world made up of only bricks. You can also find buildings made of bricks around your house. Bye, kids. Cost of construction, Part 1. Today we will learn how to calculate the expenditure related to bricks in construction work.
Finally, we are sitting and eating in our school canteen. Yes, I can't tell you how happy I am. I am glad that we watched this canteen getting constructed. And we learnt about bricks as well, right? But how many bricks do you think are used to build this canteen? Engineer sir only knows this. Where are we going to find him now? The construction is over. He must have gone now. Yes, who will answer our questions now?
I will.
Sir, how come you are here?
I came to check the canteen. I saw you both and stopped.
Sir, please tell us how many bricks were used in building this canteen?
To build this canteen, approximately 6 trucks of bricks were used.
6 trucks? Can you tell us in detail?
I'll explain it. See, one truck has about 2,500 bricks. To build this canteen, 6 trucks of bricks were used one by one. And all the bricks were used in building this canteen. That is why I said 6 trucks of bricks.
Now I understand. We can count the total number of bricks. How? It is very easy. One truck has 2,500 bricks. So to calculate the total number of bricks, multiply 2,500 by 6, right? I understood it as well. If we multiply 2,500 by 6, our answer will be 15,000. This means that in building this canteen, 15,000 bricks were used.
Yes, exactly.
This must have cost a lot of money.
Yes.
How much money did this cost?
It's easy to calculate the expense of bricks. It only includes the cost of bricks and the transportation charges for the bricks to deliver at the construction site.
Transportation charges?
Yes, trucks are used to transport bricks from the furnace to the construction site. The trucks that transported bricks for your canteen charged rupees 700 for one round.
This means for 6 rounds we have to multiply 700 by 6 is equal to 4,200.
Yes, you are absolutely right, Vandana. So tell me, how much did the bricks cost for the construction of this entire canteen?
Sir, you have not told us the cost of one brick. If you tell us that, we will be able to calculate the total cost.
The cost of one brick is 5 rupees.
If one brick costs 5 rupees, 15,000 bricks will cost 15,000 multiplied by 5, which is 75,000. Total cost of bricks is 75,000 rupees and the transportation charges are 4,200 rupees. Therefore, the total cost is 79,200.
Neha and Vandana, your math is really strong. Your answer is absolutely right.
After knowing so much about bricks, I want to make something. Can we also make something? Yes, I would tell my parents that if there is going to be any construction work in our house, then let me work out the expenses related to bricks.
Today we learned the cost associated with bricks includes the cost of bricks and the cost of bringing bricks to the construction site. Cost of Construction, Part 2. Today we will learn how is the cost associated with bricks in construction work estimated. Vandana comes home from school. She sees that mom is calculating something on paper.
Mother, what are you doing? Your father and I have decided to build rooms on the top floor of our house, Vandana. Therefore, I am calculating how much will be the total cost to build that floor. Today in my school, I spoke to our engineer, sir. He told us about the expenditure incurred in bricks in making the canteen. Therefore, I can help you in calculating the expenses related to bricks. That's good, Vandana. Calculate the expenses associated with the bricks. I will calculate the rest. Okay, Mom. But I want to know how many bricks will be needed for that. It is not so easy to find out how many bricks will be required. But as we are going to build just above this floor, the number of bricks required has to be more or less the same as the number of bricks used in building this floor. 22,600 bricks were used to build this floor. So you calculate the expenses related to 22,600 bricks. I will calculate the rest. Okay, Mom. Now we know that a total of 22,600 bricks will be used. First, let's find how much they would cost us. a brick costs 5 rupees. So to find the value of 22,600 bricks, we will multiply 22,600 by 5. Let's multiply. First we write 22,600 and 5 like this to multiply them. Now the first 5 will be multiplied by 0. The answer is 0. Now let's multiply 5 again with 0. The answer is 0. Now we will multiply 5 by 6. The answer is 30. 30 has 0 at 1's place and 3 at 10 place. While multiplying, we place the digits of ones at the designated place, and the tens digit is taken as a carryover, which will be expressed like this. Now we will multiply 5 by 2. The answer comes to 10. But we already have 3. So we will add 10 and 3. The answer we get is 13. Now even here, ones and tens digits are placed at their designated place. Now again we will multiply 5 by 2. The answer comes to 10. But we already have 1. So we will add 10 and 1. The answer we get is 11. Now we don't have any number for multiplication. So we will write answer as 11. Now we get the answer of multiplying 22,600 by 5. Do you know how to read it? Let me tell you. See. 100,000 is read as 1 lakh. So 113,000 is read as 1,13,000. This means the total cost of 22,600 bricks will be 1,13,000 rupees. Now we have to find out how much will it cost us to bring these bricks home. But before that, I have to find out how many trucks of bricks will make 22,600 bricks. 2,500 bricks come in a truck. Then to find out 22,600 bricks will come in how many trucks? Add 2,500 again and again until the answer is 22,600. Adding 2,500 5 times, let's see what is the answer. We can also multiply 2,500 by 5. You too can find the answer by pausing this video. I have got my answer 12,500, which is smaller than 22,600. So we will add 2,500 to it again. Once again adding 2,500 to it, the answer we get is 15,000. The answer we get after adding 2,500 for the 7th time is 17,500. Again adding 2,500, the answer we get is 20,000. And on adding in the 9th time, the answer we get is 22,500. Even after ordering 9 trucks, the bricks are coming down to 22,500. But now we are falling short of 100 bricks. The whole truck will not be called for just 100 bricks. Then how will we buy the remaining 100 bricks? I will ask Mummy. Mummy, even if we purchase 9 trucks of bricks, but we still need 100 more bricks to be purchased in some other way. Vandana, we will not just buy bricks in big trucks. Every month we will purchase 2 big trucks and 1 small truck full of bricks. So we will buy all the bricks in 4 months. How is that, Mother? Look, a big truck can hold 2,500 bricks and a small truck can hold 650 bricks. Now if you look at the calculation yourself, then you will know that in this way all the bricks will come to us in 4 months. Okay, Mummy, I will calculate. 2,500 bricks come in a big truck. So to find out how many bricks will come in 2 trucks, multiply 2,500 by 2. This means that 2 big trucks will bring a total of 5,000 bricks. 650 bricks come in a small truck. If you add them, then I will know how many bricks will come in a month. Now let's add them. On adding, the answer we get is 5,650. Mummy had said that in this way bricks will be brought every month for 4 months. To check this, I have to multiply this number 5650 by 4. Multiplying the two numbers gives the answer 22,600, which is equal to total bricks required. This means my mom was right. If we are to purchase 2 big trucks and 1 small truck of bricks every month, then 22,600 bricks can be purchased in 4 months. So we have to purchase a total of 8 big trucks and 4 small truck of bricks in 4 months. Now let me calculate the cost of transportation. How much does it cost to get bricks in big and small trucks, Mummy? It costs 700 rupees to get bricks in a big truck and 350 rupees to get brick in a small truck. It costs 700 rupees to get bricks once in a big truck. So to bring a brick 8 times in a big truck, you have to find the answer of 700 multiplied by 8. Okay, it will cost 5600 to get bricks in 8 big trucks. We have to buy a total of 4 small trucks of bricks. So to find out how much money it will cost, 350 has to be multiplied by 4. This means that a total of 1400 rupees will be spent on transporting bricks in a small truck 4 times. Now I have calculated all the expenses related to bricks, including the value of bricks and the cost of transporting the bricks as well. Now let's just add them all. Answer I'm getting is 1,20,000 rupees. It means that it will cost us 1,20,000 rupees just to purchase the required bricks to build the top floor of our house. Let me inform Mom.
Today we calculated the expenses related to bricks in construction work. Similarly, you can also calculate the expenses incurred in any construction work or in our day-to-day life. Different views of 3D objects, Part 1. Today we will learn why objects appear different in shape and color when viewed from different sides.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Vandana.
Hello, Vandana. Hello, Neha. Look, Neha, what my papa got for me. What has he got? This looks like a pink-colored box. Look carefully, Neha. This is not a pink-colored box, but a yellow-colored clock. How can this be a clock? It has no hands at all. This is a pink-colored box only. No, Neha, look carefully.
Wait, Neha and Vandana. I understand why you are getting confused. I will help you. Vandana, you go to Neha's position, and Neha, you come to Vandana's position.
Okay. Wow, this clock is very beautiful.
Oh, good. You can see the clock now. Vandana, now you tell me, how does the clock appear to you?
I cannot see the clock. Instead of a clock, I can see a pink-colored box. This means the clock appears to you the same way it appeared to me, like a pink-colored box. Yes, and you can see the clock, like I was able to see from here. How is this happening? Papa, please explain.
Okay, Vandana, you also come here. Then I'll explain. We live in a 3D world. All the objects around us are 3D.
What is the meaning of 3D?
The meaning of 3D is three-dimensional.
I'm still not clear, Uncle.
This means that every object has 3 dimensions. Those are width, height, and depth.
Yes, we had learned this while learning about bricks. To measure bricks, we use 3 dimensions.
Yes, and because of these 3 dimensions, an object appears to be having different shapes when viewed from different sides. For example, when you look from the top, the clock looked like a rectangle. But when you saw from the front, you could see a clock.
Now I have understood a little.
Let me explain this to you with another example. See, I have a toy that is in the shape of a staircase. I will place this staircase on the table here. Now we will make a picture of it.
That will be fun. Let's start.
We will, but wait for a while. We will make this picture from different angles. I will make it from here. I can see this side. Vandana, you make it from here because you can see it from the front. And Neha, you make it from upstairs because you will then be able to see it from the top.
Okay.
I have completed the drawing from my side.
Even mine is complete. Even I have completed it.
See, the three of us have made a picture of the same staircase, seeing it from different sides. That's why each of our drawings look different.
Now I have understood what is three-dimension, and that when you look at them from different sides, their shapes appear different.
Yes, but do you know that to draw the shape of 3D or three-dimensional objects accurately, the drawing is made from three different sides, like the way we drew this staircase.
But what is this three-sided drawing called?
One is called the top view, which tells us how an object will look if seen from the top.
This means my drawing is a top view of the staircase, which is a brown-colored rectangle, right?
Yes, Neha. In addition to the top view, there's another view, which is called the side view. In that, the object is drawn by looking at it from the right side.
So does this mean that the drawing you have made is a side view of the staircase, as you made the staircase seeing it from the right side of it?
Yes, you are right, Vandana.
I drew the staircase from the front. Uncle, which view would it be called?
Vandana, this will be called the front view.
That means when an object is seen from the front, then its front view will be visible.
Yes, and that's why Vandana's drawing appears to be different from our drawings.
Yes, this is a colorful rectangle.
So, did you understand? This is the front view of the staircase, this is the side view, and this is the top view. What did you understand?
Now I have fully understood that all objects are three-dimensional. The three dimensions are width, height, and depth. Because of this, objects appear to be of different shapes when viewed from different sides. To understand the exact shape of an object, one must look at it from three sides, from the top, front, and from the right side. While looking at an object from the top, then the top view of the object appears. The front view of the object is visible when viewed from the front, and the side view of an object appears when viewed from the right side.
Very well said, children. Now you both play and I'll do my work.
Okay, Papa. We will go and play, and we'll tell everyone about 3D in school tomorrow.
Different views of 3D objects, part 2. Today we will make top view, side view, and front view of different objects.
Yesterday, Papa told us about different views of objects, and we also made a drawing of the staircase from different views. Yes, it was a lot of fun. Why not take more objects and also see them from different sides? Okay, tell me which object to start with. I have this toy car. Why not make it from different views? Okay, I'll make it from the top and front view. You make its side view from the right side. Okay. See, I have made both the views. Looking at these two views, no one can see that it is the shape of a car. I was thinking the same while drawing. Show me the side view now. See this. Yes, now it looks like it is a drawing of a car. This way we can draw many objects from different views. Yes, we can make it, but it will not be much fun. Let's play a game. You make all 3 views of an object. Even I will make all 3 views of one object. After that, you identify which object I have drawn, and I will try to identify which object you have drawn. Yes, this will be fun. Come, let us play. I have completed my drawing. Even I am done. Look. First, let me see what you have made. Its top view is in the shape of a circle, and its side view looks like an ice cream cone with ice cream in it. And its front view is also the same as the side view. This is definitely an ice cream cone. Absolutely right. Now I will try and guess. Its top view is a rectangle. Its front view is also a rectangle. It can be a box. Now after seeing its side view, I will tell you what it is. Hey, its side view is like a swing in a park. This means it is a drawing of a swing. This was tough. This was fun. Let's make one more. Okay. Look at the front view of my drawing. This is a triangle. This is the side view of my drawing. This is also a triangle as before. And this is the top view of my drawing. What can this be? It has become very difficult. I will try to make it now. Only then will I be able to guess. Let me first make a drawing of its side view. Now I will add its front view. It has 4 sides and all are triangles. That means it is a drawing of a pyramid. You are right. Now show your drawing, then I will tell you what you have made. This is the top view of my drawing. It is a rectangular shape, the sides of which are of different colors. What can this be? Now see the front view. This drawing is in the shape of the English letter U. Now see the side view. What can it be? Oh, this is a rectangle. I think I will also have to make it. Look, here is the side view, which is a rectangle. Here is the front view, which is in the shape of a U. And here is the top view, which is a rectangular box, but the sides are of a different color. Oh, it has become a bridge-like shape. Tell me, is it correct? Yes, you are absolutely right. This game is very interesting. We can play it with the whole class by forming groups.
Today we learned why do objects appear different in shape and color when seen from different sides. Different views of 3D objects, Part 3. Today we will learn about those objects that have the same top view, side view, and front view, and whether the shape of an entire object be determined from just 3 views.
Vandana, yesterday I was drawing the top view, side view and the front view of different objects. I found some objects whose shape you will not be able to guess easily. Well, this will be a lot of fun. Sure? See this. Hey, these are all in the shape of a circle. How did this happen? Is this really the drawing of an object? Yes, and it can be easily found. How can this happen? All 3 views of any object should be different. Hey, I have another drawing in which all 3 views of one object are the same. Show that also. See this. All these are in the shape of a square, and that too of the same size. Yes, now try and guess. Let's first start with the second drawing, in which all are in the shape of a square. Okay, this is the drawing. Let me try to make it. Let's make its top view first. Then let's make the front view and in the end its side view. Oh, this is a box. Very good. I thought you will not be able to guess. Now I have an idea about the drawing of the circle. Okay, then tell me. This is a ball. If you look at a ball from any side, it will look the same. Oh wow! You answered that without drawing it out. Yes, without this box, it would have been very difficult to guess. It is good that you brought this drawing today. Otherwise, I would have never understood that there are such objects which have the same view from all sides. But I cannot understand one thing. What? To make the side view of an object, why do we only make the right side view and not the left side view? Maybe because it is not necessary. Maybe these three views are enough to tell about the remaining views. No, I don't think that's the case. Let's do one thing. You make three views of an object and show me. I will tell how the object looks from the left side. Okay, I will make the drawing of an object that looks different from the right and the left side. Okay, make it. Look at this and tell me what it is. Let me see. It looks like a rectangle from the front view. Now let's look at its side view. From the side view, it looks like two rectangles are kept side by side. As of now, I cannot say what will be its left view. Now show me its top view. This is a rectangle which is cut from the side. Now you have seen all three views. Try to tell me the view from the left side. First, I will try to make it in 3D. Now I can easily draw its left side. See, it has been made like this. First a big rectangle and then a small rectangle. You were able to draw the left view from the right view, top view and side view. Maybe that's why only three views of an object are enough. Yes, even I think so. Let's go. Lunchtime is about to get over. Let's quickly eat our food.
Neha and Vandana have now understood that there are some objects that look the same from all sides. That's why the top view, front view and the side view of those objects are the same. And the shape of the entire object can be determined from just three views.